What is up, Susie gang? What's up, Wagwan? What's popping? How you guys doing? Welcome back again to another episode. If this is your first time stopping by, hey bestie, my name is Susan Adike. I'm a lifestyle and travel vlogger currently based in Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the things you should do when you visit Enugu. This is us going to Enugu from Delta State.
Guys, we are back to base. We are back to Enugu. It's my first time here, but I feel like I'm home because I'm home. Yes. So we are home, guys. People are looking at us like we are mad.
So basically, because there was no direct car that could take us to Enugu from Asaba, Delta State, we had to navigate our way down to 𝐿𝐼𝐥𝐻𝐿, which was in Anambra State. So from 𝐿𝐼𝐥𝐻𝐿, we took a Sienna car that dropped us off at 4 points in Enugu State. So from there, we took another bus that dropped us off at 𝐿𝐼𝐥𝐻𝐿 because we were going to 𝐵𝗵𝗏, where my sister is based.
How are you? How are you? How are you? You miss me?
Yeah, just you two. Thank you, sir. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you because from there we'll be coming down to the main city. We'll be leaving at 𝐵𝗵𝗏. Yeah, we'll be leaving today. As in, I was just saying get to. I was like, excuse me, this is not what I've been watching so far on YouTube. Thank you, sir.
Tired as fuck.
Forever, that is the deal, okay? But no, I'm just kidding now. Okay, for 500, you will be able.
So we went to Nsukka Adada Dam. That's where we were going to. But the 𝐂𝐲𝐻𝐿 we saw on this day. Hey?
I'm getting a bike here. Hey, God, I beg. God, I beg. Let me say, I don't come to the wrong thought today, but I'm still hopeful. That's me. I don't give up. We don't give up here. We finally made it here, guys. Finally.
And the next day, we went to explore 𝐿𝐼𝐥𝐻𝐿 Lake Resort, and it wasn't really a bad experience like that. This is the entrance of 𝐿𝐼𝐥𝐻𝐿 Lake, and this is me inside 𝐿𝐼𝐥𝐻𝐿 Lake.
The next 2 days.
Because we're not saying Monday.
So on Sunday, we'll just wah.
So after exploring Enugu town, which is 𝐵𝗵𝗏 and 𝐵𝗵𝗏 we had to head over down to New Haven Independent Layout Access because we had to just explore the city, know what Enugu is out there to give us. And we linked up with Allen TV. They were super duper helpful. Thanks to you guys.
Let me just carry my money and go Ghana. Let me go to Benin. Why?
Are you sure those? That's my fear. Sometimes when I see some of all these places, I'm like, are you sure these places I really like?
It's not. I beg.
Mirror is mirror. You spray, right? Yes, please.
Is this working?
Yeah, but it's not on.
Okay.
And so we ended up not taking the previous hotel that you just saw because there was just some kind of dubious acts that was happening there. We ended up staying at Muna Hotel. It was a very, like, I just enjoyed the whole experience. You guys are going to see the room pretty soon. It was just so amazing. Even though the building was kind of giving a cliche vibe, but trust me, I enjoyed my moment here. So this is what the room looks like. If you are in Enugu city at any point in time, please make sure that you visit Muna Hotel. Trust me, you would have the best customer service relation. You would have the best experience. They're not even going to stress you or any of that bullshit that happened in Nigeria. Everything here was just given. This is not a paid promotion. Neither is it a sponsored ad. This is me just plugging you to the best at an affordable price.
So dark.
If you visit Enugu and you did not visit this shop right, then I don't know what you went to Enugu to do. So 𝙤𝙤𝙢𝐿 is one of the most popular eat out area in the city of Enugu, and then we left 𝙤𝙤𝙢𝐿 and visited Toscana. Toscana is a place that I visited a lot of times, and trust me, every single time I come here is always a banger.
Fine girl. Yes, and exclusive.
Yes, another exciting thing to do in Enugu is to join the Saturday morning workout session. Please make sure you eat before going. If you don't understand, watch my last video. So we visited Spar markets, and we're just checking around to compare the prices of this washing machine, which I intend buying in Lagos. I was just checking out for the prices to compare them, if it's cheaper here or if it's cheaper in Lagos. I checked for various brands, and trust me, I'm definitely going to get one someday. I don't know when, but someday. So please watch all my ads. I really need an AC, and I really need washing machine. Thank and God bless you. We left Spar Market and we head over to Unity Park, which was one of the biggest parks in Enugu State. You should visit it someday if you want to go for picnics and all of that good stuff.
The sun is sunning. The glow is glowing. The beauty is beautying. Wait. My new teachers. See, it's going. You guys, if you don't know how you guys are, see, I'm going far. I'm going far. I'm going places, guys.
Only because the best photos today. We're so
Like,
excited.
if you don't use how to create your content, you don't know what it is.
I'm telling you.
This world is.
Bye, guys.
Connect your business.
Oh, I'm in 𝐿𝐻𝑇ech and we're here for the official launch of my business. Number my business is 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐴𝐻 on Instagram, so feel free to hit me up, click the follow button, and I'll be sure to follow back.
Damn, that's good.
So this is the Muna Hotel that I mentioned before. Trust me, guys, I highly recommend this hotel. I'm not capping.
Hi guys, good morning. It is our last day in Enugu City.
my city, and we'll be leaving right now. We are just here packing our stuff for 𝐷𝐷𝐵𝐵. So
I'm happy.
that's the major city that was on our list. That was the major city basically. This one just came in between. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. Well, that comes to the end of Enugu vlog. Okay, so we are heading out right now. You can see our stuff. Mama is packing her stuff as per late comer that she is. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Always remember to love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan 𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷, and I'll see you in my next vlog.
Bye.